Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful design, very stunning designs of this video is all about the crochet top blouses, crochet crop tops designs, and every type of designs. You look be stunning, you look be gorgeous, so elegant, amazing and perfect videos of crochet blouses and 2 colors combinations, 3 colors combinations, and we must say, and different designs, different creative videos, and more stunning, more fabulous designs. You will be amazing videos. I want to share very beautiful designs ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all any members will be amazing, will be gorgeous designs ideas. Just looking fantastic videos, designs, and for more creative and stunning videos, and just looking amazing designs of different designs. It's daily basis uploaded for you. Uploaded newest videos and creative designs, and it's totally videos are uploaded for you, and every type of topics, every type of designs, and just looking say some things for different gorgeous videos. And may Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Like this creative, like this fantastic and fabulous designs, and just say some things for newly topics. And its top blouses and crop tops are 70 100 videos are uploaded for you, and more much amazing daily basis videos I have shared with you. I want to share newest designs, and I am waiting for these comments for these types of next videos we are uploaded. It's your choice, and this is so elegant designs every time available in this channel. Looking gorgeous, looking fantastic videos, we must say. And so let's see and let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos, in these stunning, these creative and fabulous videos. You look amazing designs, and